big story today is the big door. I've been waiting for this day since the beginning of this project. Today is the day this massive 16-foot double sliding glass door from Renewal by Andersen gets installed. Okay, that's a good sign. And, oh, she fits. That huge sliding door is in. It is everything I want it to be. The ability to blur the lines between indoor and out was absolutely key for us. There was a small picture window here, and I knew I wanted to get as much glass as I possibly could. We've got mountain views and sunsets that happen in that direction, and this makes it possible for us to enjoy it in all manner of weather and season. I am so excited to get friends and family over here to entertain, and I'll tell you what, that door, oh my God, does that lead to an amazing outdoor space.